Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present to you my case study from subject DCC 6242 Basic Building Service. So my title to this case study is Air Conditioning System. My lecturer name Puan Hayazi binti Hanafi, and my group member name Muhammad Sufyan bin Azizan, Muhammad Ridwan bin Idris, and my name is Ahmad Timizi bin Sahiran, and my known metric is 03DKA1AF119. So the introduction of this case study. We know air conditioning is the process of altering the property of air, primarily temperature and humidity, to more favorable condition. Today, more building use air conditioning. The control of this condition may be desirable to maintain the healthy and comfort of the occupant, or to meet the requirement of industrial process irrespective of the external climatic condition. So we go to objective. So objective from this case study was to get knowledge about air conditioning system. We want to get about the type, the effect, the advantage use this air conditioning system, and we to know effect of air conditioning gas to global warming. We want to know about how air conditioning gas affect to global warming. So the type of air conditioning. We know air conditioning always have part, and this have 4 type of air conditioning. So first is window air conditioning system. Second is split air conditioning system. 3 centralized air conditioning system, and 4 is package air conditioning system. So I will explain window air conditioning system. So window air conditioning system is one of the most commonly used and cheapest type of air conditioner to install. To install one of this unit, you need the space to make a slot in the wall, and there should also be some open space behind the wall. Window air conditioner unit are reliable and simple to install solution to keep a room cool while avoiding the costly construction of a central air system. Better yet, when the summer heat dies down, this unit can be easily removed for storage, and you can use the window sill for other purpose. So we go to second type of air conditioning, that split air conditioning system. Split air conditioning system comprised of 2 parts: the outdoor unit and the indoor unit. The outdoor unit fit outside the room, house component like the compressor, condenser, and expansion valve. The indoor unit comprise the evaporator or cooling coil and the cooling fans. For this unit, you don't have to make any slot in the wall of the room. Further, the present day split unit have aesthetic looks and add to the beauty of the room. The split air conditioner can be used to cool 1 or 2 rooms. Okay, so the third type of air conditioning is centralized air conditioning system. So the central air conditioning plant or the system are used when large building, hotel, theatre, airport, shopping, mall are to be air conditioned completely. The window and split air conditioner are used for single room or small office space. If the whole building is to be cool, it is not economically viable to put window or split air conditioner in each and every room. Further, the small unit cannot satisfactorily cool the large hall, auditorium, reception area and other. So the last type of air conditioning is packaged air conditioning system. Packaged air conditioning system is the window and split air conditioner are usually used for the small air conditioning capacity up to 5 tons. The central air conditioning system are used for where the cooling load extend beyond 20 tons. The packaged air conditioner are used for the cooling capacity in between these two extremes. The packaged air conditioner are available in the fixed rate capacity of 3, 5, 7, 10 and 15 tons. These units are used commonly in places like restaurant, telephone exchange, home, small hall and other. So that finish my part, and I will pass to my group member that Muhammad Ridwan bin Idris.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Ridwan bin Idris. Next, I would like explain about advantage of the air conditioning. Air conditioning can act as a form of protection in your supermarket or airport. It does not just cool the indoor air down, improve the air quality and prevent respiratory condition flare up. Let's take a look at the most important advantage of air conditioning. First, improve the air quality. Your air conditioning system can filter harmful pollutant out of the air. That means things like bacteria, dust, pollen and allergen are reduced inside the home or supermarket or airport. If you or your family has any kind of respiratory problem, clean air can minimize the risk of asthma and allergy. Air conditioning can also lower the humidity level in the air. Lower humidity means less change of mold and middle growth. It also prevent odor and stale air from gathering in your supermarket or your house or airport. Next, prevent heat stroke. When you are exposed to hot temperature for too long, your body lost water. This can cause dehydration and lead to heat stroke. Air conditioning help prevent sweating, which lower the amount of water your body lost when it get hot. It also help your body regulate its internal temperature and prevent heat stroke. Okay, heat stroke and dehydration can be serious condition. In some case, not getting medical help in the time can result in brain and organ damage. Air conditioning keeps your home or supermarket cool and reduce your risk of overheating. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sufian bin Azizan. My metric number is 03DKA18F1110. I would like to present about the effect of air conditioner to global warming. The first is CFC and HFC gas. Air conditioner are complex machines that are made of many different parts which work in several ways. CFC and HFC gas are both cooling agents that are in a air conditioner, which when released increase the hole in ozone over time. Although air conditioner rely on CFC and HFC on contribute to global warming in a major way. Even newer model which rely more on HFC and HFC play a role in ozone depletion. Okay, next is the effect on energy use. Air conditioner require a lot of energy to function properly. It consumes so much electricity and therefore release pollution. When fossil fuel is burned, carbon dioxide is also released into the air, more commonly known as a greenhouse gas, which is a major contribution to ozone depletion. The average and typical air conditioner will consume about 3,000 to 5,000 watt of electricity every hour. Depending on the season, the warmer, the more power used. This is clearly very harmful to the environment, as well as extremely expensive. Okay, the next and the last is plastic material that has been used to build an air conditioner. In the past, air conditioners were mainly made out of metal. Throughout over year, people decided that metal is too expensive and too heavy, so they opt for plastic. Although metal and plastic are both harmful to environment, plastic is completely non-biodegradable, which makes it an enemy. The production of plastic alone is extremely detrimental, as it to release carbon dioxide into the air and cause what we know as the greenhouse effect. It is important to the role that air conditioner can sometimes be vital for mere survival. They are placed due to global warming that are extremely warm and need the presence of coolant. Okay, that's all, and I will go to conclusion and suggestion. For conclusion, I'm about to say that air conditioner has been used to bring a high level comfortable to human, but at the same time, it can bring a deadly effect to the Mother Earth, such as ozone depletion and greenhouse effect. And my suggestion is to prevent the bad effect of air conditioner from happen. Everyone must realize that about the bad effect of a air conditioner itself and learn to reduce the energy usage every day. At least by doing this, the effect of air conditioner to the global can be reduced little by little. So that's all for me. Thank you.